Over 75? Eat this seed every morning to build muscle 1 million times faster than eggs. You know what's crazy? There are thousands of seeds out there, grown in mountains, used in tiny villages for centuries, studied quietly in university labs, and out of all of them, almost nobody talks about the ones that actually matter if you're over 70. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most of those seeds are basically useless for your muscles at this age. Only a small handful actually have what your body needs right now, the right mix of protein, enzymes, and amino acids that aging muscles can still use. Because here's the thing doctors don't explain well enough. After 70, your muscles get resistant to regular protein. It's called anabolic resistance. So you can eat eggs, chicken, fish, protein powder, and your body just doesn't turn it into muscle the way it used to. That's exactly why your legs still feel thin, why your balance feels off, why no matter what you eat, you keep losing strength. But there are 5 seeds that work completely differently. When researchers looked closely at muscle tissue in older adults, they were shocked by how fast these seeds helped rebuild strength, better balance, firmer legs, real muscle growth, faster than eggs, faster than most protein sources people over 70 rely on every single day. So today we're going through all 5. And stick around for the last one because it's the one that surprised researchers the most. It seems to slip past the slow digestion that comes with age, get into your bloodstream fast, and turn on a repair process in your muscles that usually shuts down after 70. People are calling it the senior superseed, and most people your age have never even heard of it, let alone tried it. We'll link what research is out there in the description so you can look into it yourself. We always want you checking things, not just taking our word for it. Quick question before we start. How old are you right now? Drop it in the comments. We're replying to everyone today. All right, let's get into seed number 1. Quinoa. Here's something most people never learned. Quinoa isn't a grain, it's actually a seed. And that little mix-up means a lot of folks are missing out on one of the best protein sources out there for aging muscles. What makes quinoa so special is that it has all 9 amino acids your body needs but can't make on its own. That's what nutritionists call a complete protein. And honestly, that's rare to find in the plant world. It matters even more once you're past 70 because your body starts struggling to piece together protein from foods that aren't complete on their own. On top of that, quinoa's protein is built a little differently than egg protein, with smaller pieces that your gut can absorb more easily as digestion naturally slows down with age. So even if 2 people eat the same amount of protein, the quinoa often gets used by the body more efficiently. Now, if you want to get the most out of it, there's a simple trick. Soak your quinoa overnight in warm water with a splash of apple cider vinegar. This helps break down a natural coating on the seed that can block your body from absorbing all that good protein. Rinse it well the next morning, then cook it low and slow, maybe even in a warm broth instead of plain water, since that can help your body take in the nutrients even better. Try eating it earlier in the day, ideally within a couple hours of waking up, when your muscles are hungry for fuel after a night of rest. 1 cup of cooked quinoa gives you a solid dose of clean protein, plus magnesium and iron, 2 minerals that help carry that protein straight to your muscles. And here's a small tip a lot of people miss. Warm quinoa is easier for your body to use than cold quinoa straight out of the fridge. So skip the cold salad version if muscle building is your goal. A pinch of black pepper on top isn't just for flavor either. It can help your body absorb nutrients a little better too. Quinoa has been a staple food for generations in places like Peru, where families have relied on it for strength and energy for centuries, long before science ever explained why it works so well. And that's just seed number 1. Wait until you hear what's coming next, because the seed after this one might just surprise you even more. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Let's talk about pumpkin seeds, because these little green seeds might be doing more for your muscles than you ever realized. 1 ounce gives you about 9 grams of protein, but that's not even the best part. What really makes pumpkin seeds stand out is the mix of zinc, magnesium, and iron packed inside. And these are minerals your body leans on heavily to support hormone production and muscle repair, both of which naturally slow down as we get older. Zinc especially plays a big role here, since low zinc levels are common after 70 and can make it even harder for your body to hold onto muscle. Pumpkin seeds are also rich in 2 amino acids called tryptophan and arginine, and these are known to support the release of growth hormone while you sleep, which is exactly when your body does most of its muscle repair work. Now here's something a lot of people don't know. Raw pumpkin seeds contain natural compounds that can actually make it harder for your body to digest their protein properly. That's why roasting them lightly or soaking them in salted water for a few hours makes a real difference in how much your body can actually use. If you want to get the most out of them, try grinding roasted pumpkin seeds into a fine powder and stirring a couple tablespoons into your oatmeal or yogurt in the morning. Just keep in mind the zinc in pumpkin seeds doesn't mix well with calcium, so it's best to enjoy them away from dairy, either first thing in the morning or as an afternoon snack, a couple hours apart from milk or cheese. The magnesium in these seeds also helps support healthy blood flow, which means more nutrients reaching your muscles when they need it most. And pumpkin seeds contain a good source of vitamin E, which may help support recovery and reduce everyday inflammation, something that becomes more important the older we get. Simple seed, but a surprisingly powerful one. And honestly, the next seed on this list might impress you even more, because gram for gram, it beats almost anything on your plate. 3. Hemp seeds. Now let's talk about hemp seeds, because these tiny seeds pack a serious amount of protein into a small spoonful. Just 3 tablespoons give you about 10 grams of complete protein, meaning it has all the amino acids your body can't make on its own. And that's something you don't find in most plant foods. What makes hemp seeds stand out even more is a protein called edistin, which makes up most of what's inside these seeds, and it's known to be gentle and easy for your body to break down, which matters a lot once digestion starts slowing with age. Hemp seeds also have a nice natural balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fats, and that balance is worth paying attention to, since these healthy fats can help support less inflammation in the body. And less inflammation generally means your muscles have an easier time recovering and staying strong. If you want to get the most benefit from hemp seeds, keep them raw or only lightly warmed, since too much heat can break down some of their good fats. Try tossing them into a smoothie, sprinkling them over a salad, or stirring them into your oatmeal once it's cooled down a bit. A couple tablespoons a day is plenty, maybe one in the morning to start your day strong, and another later on with a meal to help keep your energy steady. What's really impressive is that hemp seeds contain all 20 amino acids your body uses, including the 9 essential ones, and they come in a pretty balanced ratio, which is something eggs don't always offer since they tend to be higher in some aminos and lower in others. Hemp seeds are also a good source of magnesium and iron, 2 minerals that quietly support muscle function and energy production every single day, even if we don't think about them much. It's a small seed, but it carries a lot of value, especially if you're looking for gentle, plant-based ways to support your strength as you get older. And wait until you hear about the next seed, because it comes with a story going back thousands of years, straight from warriors who relied on it for endurance and strength. 4. Chia seeds. Now here's a seed with some real history behind it. Ancient warriors used to carry chia seeds with them because just a small handful could keep them going for hours. And once you understand how these tiny seeds work, it starts to make a lot of sense. When chia seeds soak up liquid, they swell up and turn into a soft gel, and that gel releases nutrients slowly into your system instead of all at once. For seniors, that steady release can be a real help, since it means your muscles get a gentle, ongoing supply of nutrients instead of one quick spike that fades fast. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds give you around 5 grams of protein, and they're also packed with fiber, which supports healthy digestion, something that naturally slows down as we get older. Chia seeds are also one of the best plant sources of calcium out there, even richer than a glass of milk. And calcium plays a big part in keeping your muscles working properly and reducing cramping, especially if you stay active. And they're loaded with antioxidants too, which help protect your cells from everyday wear and tear, something that becomes more important the older we get. Preparing chia seeds the right way makes a real difference. Mix 2 tablespoons with about a cup of your favorite liquid. Water, milk, or even coconut water works great. Then let it sit for around 20 minutes until it thickens into a pudding-like texture. That little bit of patience helps your body absorb the nutrients much better than eating the seeds dry. A lot of people enjoy a small serving in the morning to start the day steady, and another one in the afternoon to help keep their energy from dipping. Simple, gentle, and easy on the stomach, which matters a lot as we age. And now, get ready, because the very last seed on this list might be the most surprising one of all, the one that could completely change how you think about protein after 70. 5. Flax seeds. All right, this is the one, the seed everyone's been waiting to hear about. Ground flax seeds might just be one of the most underrated foods out there when it comes to supporting your body as you get older. Just 3 tablespoons give you about 6 grams of good quality protein, but what really makes flax seeds stand out are compounds called lignans, plant nutrients that act a bit like gentle hormone helpers in the body. Researchers have been studying how these lignans may support healthy hormone balance as we age, and while flax seeds aren't a magic fix, they're a small, natural addition that can support your overall health long term. Flax seeds are also one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fats, the same kind of healthy fat found in fish, and these fats are known to support heart health, joint comfort, and even brain function, all things that matter more the older we get. Here's something important though. Whole flax seeds pass right through your body without breaking down, so you have to grind them first. Buy them pre-ground, or grind a small batch fresh using a coffee grinder, and keep it in the fridge or freezer so it stays fresh longer. A simple way to enjoy them is mixing 2 tablespoons of ground flax with a little warm water, letting it sit for about 10 minutes until it turns into a soft gel, then stirring it into your oatmeal, yogurt, or a warm cup of tea in the morning. Flax seeds are also loaded with fiber, both the kind that helps digestion move smoothly and the kind that helps you feel full and steady throughout the day, which can be a real comfort as your digestive system slows down with age. On top of that, you're getting magnesium and a bit of natural plant compounds that support muscle and nerve function every single day. It's a small seed, but when you add it into your routine consistently, alongside good movement and the other seeds we just talked about, it becomes one more simple, natural tool to help you feel stronger and more capable as you get older. So there you have it, 5 simple seeds that can make a real difference in how strong and steady you feel, even after 70. None of them are expensive, none of them are hard to find, and honestly, you don't need to eat all 5 every single day. Just pick a few, add them into your meals the right way, and give your body the tools it actually needs instead of relying on the same old protein sources that stop working as well as we get older. The real secret isn't some miracle food. It's consistency. Small changes done the right way, day after day, add up to real strength over time. If you've been feeling weaker than you used to, just want to feel more capable in your everyday life, this is a good place to start. And if you're ready to keep building on this, go check out the next video, because we break down exactly how to combine these seeds with simple daily movements that make an even bigger difference.